Sachi here. So today I'm going to talk to you about a small plant haul. So this I just did it when I visited a small nursery in Raipur a few days back. It is known as Happy Plants. So I just visited and I just got these 3 plants, and I got these because I didn't had this in my collection, and or maybe I lost them before. So I have these 3 varieties I got from there. So I'm just going to show you very quickly, and you can visit the nursery, and you will get to see a lot more good variety of indoor house plants there. So please do have a visit. And also I'll leave their Insta page link below. So I got these 3 plants. So the first plant I got is commonly known as devil's backbone, or Euphorbia tithymaloides. So basically this grows in a desert area. This comes from like where your palm comes from, palm plants and your ZZ plants. So they belong from such desert areas, and they do really good in high light and sunlight. They won't do well in your medium light conditions because they come from such environment, and they are quite like your succulents and your palms. So I try to keep the soil well drained, and since I got from the nursery, I'm just trying to keep it well drained. And this is my first experience with this plant. The other one I got is the Caladium lucas. So I got these like beautiful pink pigmented leaves, Caladium. This is my first Caladium, and I think it is Caladium lucas. I will assure you the name maybe at the bottom of the video. And this is also like a tropical plant, and they do well with the humidity, and they like good bright light, and they're doing good for me like 4 feet away from the window as well. And yeah, this was my second plant from the nursery. And the third one is this aquatic plant, Hydrocotyle vulgaris, and commonly known as pennywort. So I have killed this plant before. I know the reason as well, because I didn't had good light at my place, but now I am able to keep this surviving. And this just needs water, so, or little bit of muddy water, you can say, the muddy soil. So you can pour soil, but I am growing this in water, and I add a little bit of seaweed or so fertilizer. This water also does well for them. So they need good sun. So I have tried keeping them in medium light, but they won't do well for you. You need to give them bright light and little sun, and if even they do well in high sun. So that's why I got this again, and this time I think I'm going to keep it alive. And so I got these 3 plants from Happy Plants nursery. So that's it. If please let me know in the comment section below if you like such plant hauls from nursery, and I will make more videos like that. Bye, I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.